5 steps to 5K with Airbnb semi-passive income without earning property. So in step 1, we talked about finding motivated sellers, motivated landlords. But there's another aspect of motivated landlords. That property has to be priced for a profit. See, a landlord is only motivated is if they have priced the property with enough meat on the bone for you to actually make a small profit in the world of rental arbitrage. So how in the world do you do that? Well, I'm glad you asked. We actually have a proprietary formula that we teach the students that we're mentoring, so they know exactly what properties are priced for profit. And unless a property is priced for a profit, you really don't have a motivated landlord. But I will share this. When something is priced for a profit, it means that it don't have to be occupied 100% of the time, 80% of the time, 70% of the time, or 60% of the time for you to be able to break even. And what is it that I mean by break even? If you have a lease of $2,000 a month and you have to have that property occupied 80% of the time to get $2,000, that's not priced to profit. Now, the wonderful thing would be is if you can make that $2,000 and it was only occupied 20% of the time, 40% of the time, or even 60% of the time. The point is, you gotta anticipate if you're going to be successful in rental arbitrage, that your properties, even in the high season, are not going to be 100% occupied until you get to a point like Superhost. And even as a Superhost, my occupancy bounces between 75 and 85%. So the point is, when you have something that's priced for a profit, that's when you have a motivated landlord. All right. When we come back, we're going to talk about step 2. Step 2 in terms of a 5K with Airbnb semi-passive income without owning property.